In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Grok conversations as a PDF file. Whether you need to preserve important discussions or easily share information, converting your Grok conversations into a PDF format can make this process smooth and effective. Let's get started. First, to kick off the process, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. For most people, Google is the go-to search engine, making it an easy starting point. Once you have Google loaded, type Grok into the search bar. Grok is our topic of the day, and typing its name will guide us directly to where we need to be. Now, hit enter or click the search icon, whichever suits your preference. After the search results load, you should see the official Grok website within the top results. This website is where all the magic happens. Click on the link to the Grok website and it will direct you to their homepage, where you can access various features, including your saved conversations. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to the specific conversation you want to save. Let's focus on selecting a conversation. Browse through your list of conversations and identify the one that needs to be exported. A little tip here. Make sure the conversation is complete and contains all the information you need before proceeding. After selecting the desired conversation, you'll need to scroll down. Keep scrolling downwards until you've reached the end of the conversation. This step ensures that the entire conversation gets captured in your PDF file. Getting to the last part of the conversation is crucial as it helps avoid any incomplete saves. Now, pay attention to the interface. Look for a menu icon, typically represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon indicates additional options, akin to an overflow menu, which contains more functionality that might not be immediately visible. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with different actions you can take. From this menu, choose the option that says Export to PDF. This feature is what allows you to convert your conversation into a PDF file. Clicking this option initiates the export process, transforming the text and elements on your screen into a format that's universally accessible and easily shared. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively saved your Grok conversation as a PDF file. This method is particularly efficient for organizing information and ensuring that your conversations are easily retrievable whenever necessary. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other conversations you wish to export. Practice makes perfect, and the more you do it, the more efficient you will become. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!